Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called the CashPiggy app, okay? And we're going to check it out. We're going to see whether this is a good use of your time or maybe this is a waste of time. Maybe there are better ways to make money online out there. Let's check it out, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out CashPiggy to find out if this is the good or the ugly. Maybe there are better ways for you to make money online out there, right? Now, CashPiggy is a GPT app. It's mainly a survey app, but you can also download some offers as well, and you can make some money that way, okay? So you can come to the Google Play Store, you can install it. 1 million downloads. It's a pretty popular app, right? Not ridiculously popular, but 1 million downloads is pretty decent, okay? And if you log in here, you can only use Android, unfortunately. So if you're an iPhone user, iOS user, unfortunately you can't use CashPiggy, all right? But don't worry, stick around. I'm going to show you some other cool ways for you to generate some income, all right? Now, the first way really here is to take surveys, all right? So you can see that they work with a lot of the big survey companies like Ascend Media, Theorem, Reach, InBrain, BitLabs. These are some of the biggest survey providers. Now, I have reviewed all of these companies. A lot of other survey websites and apps also work with these guys. And it just depends on how the owners of this company have decided to pay out, okay? So, they can pay out as little or as much as they want to their users. And some people can have good experiences and some people can have bad experiences. So we're going to check out whether this is a good way to actually earn, all right? Now, when you create an account with them, once you click on, let's just say, Ascend Media Surveys, then you're going to see all the different surveys that are available for you in your particular country for Ascend Media. Now, depending on where you live in the world, you may have more or less surveys. It just depends on your luck, all right? So sometimes you might see no surveys at all. Some days you might log in, you might see one survey. Other days you might see 5 surveys or 10 surveys. It just depends on your luck, okay? And that's the thing about survey filling, is that it 100% has to do with the luck of the draw, where you are based in the world and where these companies like to focus, okay? Some countries have a lot of surveys, some have a lot less, right? Now, the way it works is once you click on one of these surveys, you have to qualify for them, okay? So you're not going to qualify for every single survey. They will boot you out and you will get disqualified for filling out some surveys. So you're kind of starting to fill it out, and then it realizes that you're not the right person for that particular survey. They're going to disqualify you, unfortunately, and it does take a little bit of time to do that, unfortunately, but that's just the name of the game with filling out surveys, okay? Now, the big question is how much do they pay out per survey? Now, it's important to take note that unfortunately with CashPiggy, they pay quite little, okay? So the maximum that you can make with these surveys is 40 cents, all right? So it's not much. Okay, it might be a little bit more in other countries, but for the most part, you'll make a few cents up to about 40 cents per survey, which is quite low, because with other survey providers, you can make up to $1, $2 sometimes. Some surveys even pay $5, very rare, but most of the time they will pay between 20 cents and around 80 cents. That's a sweet spot. Some will pay a bit more, $1, $1.20, $1.50, $2 sometimes, like I mentioned. But with CashPiggy, it's really a few cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. The highest is around 40 cents, okay? So you can't make that much with CashPiggy, unfortunately, right? Now, the way that they pay out is through PayPal, all right? So you can get an Amazon gift card or PayPal, and you really don't need to make that much to cash out. You only need $1, all right, for Amazon gift cards. And, actually, with PayPal, you can also withdraw for $1. So that should only take a few surveys for you to be able to cash out, all right? And that is pretty much it, okay? Now, the big question is how much can you earn with CashPiggy? Because they don't pay that much in surveys, let's just say you were to spend maybe 1 or 2 hours a day filling out surveys on CashPiggy, right? What will happen is, if you're lucky, you might be able to fill out quite a lot of surveys in 2 hours. But if you're unlucky that day, you might be able to fill out none, because it just depends on your location and your luck, all right? Now, let's just say you do get to fill out a few surveys, okay? Again, they don't pay that much per survey. It's between, a few cents to up to about 40 cents per survey. Some surveys will take you 10, 15, 20 minutes to fill out. So you do the math, all right? On average, let's just say you make 10 to 20 cents a survey. You get to fill out maybe 4 surveys an hour. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about 80 cents. You might make about $1, maybe $1.50 per day, if you're lucky. Some people will earn less, some people will earn none, okay? So that's about $1, $1.50 per day. Do the math, you multiply that by 30. On best case scenario, you're earning about maybe $30 a month, okay? Worst, or maybe a bit more. Worst case scenario, you don't earn anything. Maybe you earn like 10 bucks, maybe you earn 5 bucks, okay? Maybe you earn even less than that, just a few dollars. So it really depends, right? It's not a lot of money regardless. You know, and I've seen other survey websites that can offer higher paying surveys, but survey filling in general, you will only earn between $50 and $100 a month if you're filling out some decent surveys. So it's not life-changing income. It is free and it is global, you know, some more than others depending on where you live, like I mentioned earlier. But it's a nice way to make a little bit of, just a little bit of pocket money, all right? It's not going to pay, you know, for your trips or your retirement. You know, you can't replace your full-time income with survey filling, but it is free, it's global, and you know, it does work if you use the right websites, all right? Now, I just want to show you what some people have said about CashPiggy as well, and this is important, right? Because what people are saying currently makes a big difference, and the thing is with all apps, things change over time. Okay, now I'm not going to go through every single one, but there are quite a few 1 stars. All right, now what people are generally saying with the 1 stars is usually one of two things. Okay, the first thing is that they're having withdrawal issues, which is a problem. That means that people will get to, you know, $5, $10, they'll withdraw on PayPal. It says that they have actually been able to withdraw, but no money actually arrives in their PayPal account. Okay, now quite a few people have said that, and that is a big problem with a survey app that is promising to pay you for you know, actually taking the time to fill out surveys, right? Now, that might not happen to everybody. Maybe it's a technical glitch, all right? We always want to give companies the benefit of the doubt, but quite a few people have actually given it a 1 star because of that, all right? It was really to get the amount of cash out, but I requested $10 PayPal and it says it was paid, but I didn't receive any email and didn't get anything in PayPal either. That is a big problem. So that may or may not happen to you. The second big problem that a lot of people are saying is their customer service is pretty rubbish. Okay, so that means when they you know, send an email to customer service, they don't get a response at all, right? It's pretty bad. Okay, look, 2 stars. I will do an update once I receive my cash, but you do get approved for quite a few surveys, and hopefully I'll receive my $5. I'm pretty sure I will because I've been in contact with customer service. Hopefully that person did. Okay, look at this. It takes between 1 to 2 months to pay out only after contacting the developers, who will only reply once and they will never follow up again for queries. So it's pretty bad. All right, I would say that there are much better survey websites out there. You know, CurveyPiggy doesn't pay that well. Again, a maximum 40 cents per survey is very, very low in the survey space. So you can check them out if you want. I think that there are better survey companies out there, but you know, perhaps if you want to just play for fun, I wouldn't necessarily fill out surveys. I think it's a very slow and laborious way to make money online. I mean, literally, you're making $1 a day for, you know, a couple of hours of your time. You could make way more than that. And also, CashPiggy doesn't pay out that well, and they've got some payout issues as well and customer service issues. So overall, if you're looking at, you know, maximizing your time, I wouldn't necessarily you know, work with CashPiggy. Okay, but you can check it out if you want. You can download it for free at the Google Play Store. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate income online. Okay, now if this is the first time on your on my channel, I've actually reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've tested out lots of different apps, websites, courses, different business models. Some are really bad, some are really good, right? Out of all the good ones, I've actually used one strategy to completely change my life. I used it to quit my full-time job. I now generate multiple 5 figures a month. I don't know if you saw that notification just there. I think I generated a $500 sale. Okay, and I think this is a very leveraged and great way for any beginner to start making money online. All right, now if you want to check out how I've been able to do that, I've got a step-by-step masterclass that you can access for free if you would like to check it out. Okay, the link all the way below this video will give you access to that masterclass. I hope you enjoyed this review of CashPiggy. All the best to you. I will see you on another video review. Take care.